Hi, good morning. Uh, I'm sorry, it should be good afternoon to all the members of Jain Engineering Society. I will be looking after the project initiation and new project planning cell. Um, and I'm sorry and I apologize that I'm not around today in person. Um, and I wanted to give a brief introduction about this cell. This is basically going to be a cell which handles all the engineering projects that perhaps come to our mind, and we think it could be feasible to implementation such engineering principles into our day-to-day lives. For instance, the solar energy project, the water harvesting project. So we do have plenty of ideas in mind, and being engineers, it becomes our moral and social responsibility to ensure that we implement the knowledge that has been imparted to us by course or by way of education. So on behalf of that, I think this is a very great initiative taken by Jain Engineering Society. And we are going to begin with the solar energy project. This is again the concept is in its initiation phase. We are first going to determine the viability, feasibility of the solar energy project in whichever area of concern that it has been worked out at. For instance, the Jain temple. We have taken a brief survey. We've got it done regarding installing solar energy project in our Jain Mandir, and this survey is dependent upon the initial costs as well as the maintenance costs involved, so as to break even and start providing us profit by way of less expenditure on electricity bills. So I think this is a very good platform for us engineers to venture out and voluntarily work towards any sort of application of engineering principles which helps with day-to-day chores, the day-to-day activities that are performed that use renewable or non-renewable sources of energy, and substitute it with such forms of energy which are easily transformable, always available, and obviously fall less on our pockets. With that said, the solar energy project is beginning. The first venue that we think we would like to go with is the Jain Mandir. And I would like all the individuals, every individual out here in fact, to give in more ideas as to which are the other locations that you would like the project to be initiated at. And the whole process, the life cycle of this process would involve initially conducting a survey to identify the viability, then consulting the different managing units, the different societies on the benefits that they could or would incur by installing the same, providing this practically this consultation free of cost. This is just the first project. We have many more ideas on things like water harvesting. We have ideas on renewing paper through waste, and cleanliness, observing cleanliness in all the areas within Navi Mumbai, starting with Vashi itself. And I think this effort is going to be conducted by engineers on a volunteer basis, just so that we give back to the society what we have learned from them. So I appreciate all the members here to come out and give us your ideas and inform us and let us know what part of volunteering activity you would be interested in. We will be sending out the agenda of our proposition for this cell pretty soon. And if you're interested, please send an email to me on my mail ID. It's swati@psachem.com. I have a JES ID, swati@jesnavimumbai.com. And please send an email to us, and we will revert to you with your participation. And we would be holding a meeting pretty soon So all these ideas would be encouraged, and we would see to it that they lead through fruition if they are viable and if they are practical. Well, I think that should be the end of what I have to speak about. And if there are any questions, again, please send an email on these IDs, and we will take this effort from there. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.